Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to look at how to obtain areas of two-dimensional objects given matrix of transformation. On our screen we have triangle ABC with known area A0 mapped onto triangle with vertices A prime, B prime, C prime with an unknown area by matrix of transformation MT. The question is, how are we going to obtain A1? It is simple. We are going to use the formula, the absolute value of the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to area scale factor. What do I mean? If our A0 is 12 square centimeters and matrix of transformation equal to 4004, to obtain A1 we shall use the formula, the absolute value of the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to area scale factor. We find the determinant of matrix of transformation, and that is we multiply the entries in the major diagonal, that is 4 times 4, minus the product of the entries in the minor diagonal, that is 0 times 0. So the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to 16 minus 0. Remember, area scale factor is equal to area of the image out of area of the object. Area scale factor is given by 16, which is equal to A1 is not known, out of A0, which is a 12. So we cross multiply and get the value of A1. That is, A1 is equal to 16 times 12. A1 is equal to, let's place our calculators together and obtain A1. That is 16 times 12, and the result is 192 square centimeters. Are we following? Good. Let's do example number 2. A rectangle whose area is 16 square centimeters, meaning that A0 is equal to 16 square centimeters, is given a transformation represented by the matrix. So MT is equal to 6, 5, 3, 2. Full stop. Find the area of the image of the rectangle. So we need to obtain the area A1. Don't forget that the absolute value of the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to A1 out of A0. Let's find the determinant of matrix of transformation. So det of MT is equal to, we multiply the entries in the major diagonal, that is 6 times 2, minus the product of entries in the minor diagonal, that is 5 times 3. 6 times 2, that is 12, minus 5 times 3, that is 15. So the resultant is negative 3. But don't forget that we need the absolute value of the determinant of matrix of transformation. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 3 is equal to what? A 3. So we substitute A1 out of A0. A0 is given to us as 16 is equal to a 3. We cross multiply. So A1 is equal to 16 times 3. So A1 is equal to, what is 16 times 3? That is 48 square centimeters. Example 3. A triangle ABC whose area is 42 square centimeters is mapped onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime by a transformation matrix M, which is equal to 3, 2, 4, 5, full stop. Find the area of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So first of all, we need to obtain the determinant of matrix of transformation, and is obtained by getting the product of the entries in the major diagonal, that is 3 times 5, minus the product of the entries in the minor diagonal, that is 2 times 4. So this is 15 minus 8, and the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to 7. So the absolute value of 7 is 7. We substitute in our equation A1 out of A0 is equal to a 7. So A1 out of A0 has been given to us as 42, which is equal to 7. We cross multiply, that is A1 is equal to 7 times 42. So A1 is equal to 294 square centimeters. Example number 4, as we end the lesson. A square is given a transformation represented by matrix 2, 2, 6, 5 to obtain its image with area of 25 square centimeters. Find the area of the squared object. So in this case, we have matrix of transformation, area of the image, but we don't have the area of the object. We shall make use of our equation that area scale factor is equal to the absolute value of the determinant of matrix of transformation. So the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to, we get the product of the entries in the major diagonal, that is 2 times 5, minus the product of entries in the minor diagonal, that is 2 times 6. This is 10 minus 12, and the determinant of matrix of transformation is equal to -2. Don't forget that our interest is not to find the determinant of matrix of transformation. Our interest is to find the absolute value of the determinant of matrix of transformation, and the absolute value of -2 is a +2, meaning that A1 out of A0 is equal to A2. So A1 was given to us as 25 out of A0, which is not known. Everything is equal to 2. We cross multiply, and that is 25 times 1 is equal to 2 times A0. We divide both sides by 2. So A0 is equal to 12.5 square centimeters. Lastly, let's do this trial question. It goes, triangle PQR is mapped onto triangle P prime Q prime R prime, whose area is 24 square centimeters by a transformation matrix T, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, full stop. Find the area of PQR. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video for more about mathematics.